Hi teacher, my name is Jean-Pierre Saúl Chávez Garcia. Hi, reality light wax movies. Yesterday I watching 10 footage of Happy Night.
Oh, I Love You Tons movie. It was very emotional. The main character worked very hard for his son.
Yes, Lois is hope, books never grounds up, times is more experience, tag marines, autumn movies.
I agree. It watched Avenger last week. It was more exciting but not more emotional.
I perfect emotion moments because tension imports life lesson.
However, action movies are fun. However, this story was more meaningful and realistic.
Yes, in our relics life and stories emotion besides tense messages was very powerful.
In conclusion, we would agree that the pursuit of happiness is the most inspiring movie.
Sadly, less present tense moving to class because in teacher teacher us never give up